Good morning. So I'm just packing up the necessary things because of my very amazing Father's Day fishing trip, and I think I look good for the fishing.
What's that in your hand?
Oh, this is my tackle box.
Oh, okay.
And bug spray and my gloves.
Okay.
Because I'm gonna catch a lot of fish, so I have to hold it with the gloves. Yeah. And I have an igloo right here with my water. And then I have another igloo right here. I have to get some plastic bags because I'm gonna need bags to carry the fish in. And my tackle box have all my stuff, my knife and my thing. And I'm going for my radio when I'm done. Choose the fishing.
So these are the rods.
Yeah, these are the fishing rods.
Oh, man.
Right here. Yeah.
Yeah, go on the bags.
Yeah, you have to be an expert fisherman like me. You understand? If you're not an expert fisherman, you don't know these things. This is my solar radio / flashlight / everything. You understand? Because you know when you're going on these fishing trips, you might end up need to hear the word, hear the music and stuff like that.
Bluetooth device is ready to pair. Radio mode up.
Survived this disaster, who weren't on the top of the hill, decided to mark.
Oh, it's charged already?
Yeah, and it's charged by the sun.
Okay.
Through my solar person.
So the other fishing enthusiast. The other fishing enthusiast. Yes. They better be the ones.
Where you say have? Keno? Where you say have?
My Florida Fish and Wildlife license. Do not play with me. Thank you.
Joshua, you have your wildlife something too, right?
You got it?
That's it. Nobody can chat to it.
Me said,
you understand?
Nobody can say nothing to me underwater.
We're tree.
Mr. Officer, I got it right here.
No, hear this. We are three accomplished fishermen now.
Oh yeah, very accomplished. Very accomplished.
But we're not a bait, so we have to go Walmart. I'm sorry. So we reach out here now and we learn how to string the something through. See? Yeah. Because true, we're expert, you know?
Yeah.
We learn how to string the something through. I'm just telling them from now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm here to teach them because they don't really know. So I'm just try to show them, you understand? Because I'm an expert. Expert.
You got it. Did you get it? That's what you got.
Look, man, with the whole pan nice, the man make man catch one little half dead and him afraid for all it, you know.
What happened? That's what you got. The fish got away.
They don't care how small it is.
Catch some bait. No, you can use that.
No, you can't use that as bait now. No. Let's see you take it off the hook. Yeah, they're trying to fix it because I have to teach them everything. So I got unfreeze. So what you're gonna do? You know how to do that part, right? You're supposed to know that because you did that with the guys. So Joshua is putting on his bait. Remember, you're gonna leave. Make sure that out. Well, you wanna get it somewhere where they won't bite it off. So you hold the phone. You wanna get it so that they won't bite it off. So you run it right through the middle. Like so. See it? So once them grab the shrimp.
But I thought we take the shell off, no?
Not necessarily. No.
So the fish gonna eat the shell?
Yeah. How do you think they might go eat it?
Oh. So, okay, cool. Oh, we gotta put mine on there. On one side, and I'm gonna be on one side.
What are you talking?
No, I'm telling you, I don't want you next to me, because I'm gonna catch some fish today.
Mate, listen.
No.
I catch more fish than you.
You know, I'm telling you, just stay on your side and don't come on my side.
Mate, but you can't, you don't know if you bait the
What do you mean? I'm baiting it right now. Cool, just stay on your side.
This is what we're using for bait.
My side of the beach. All right. Huh? Oh yeah, because I don't want no problem. I don't want no problem.
Mate, put on the hook.
You hear what she said, go?
Where you hook there? Where you hook there?
Mine's right. Let me go get it. You gotta put it on there for me, cause I
No,
I don't-
you put it on.
No,
You
but
put
I
it
don't-
on.
I don't know what I'm doing. Cool.
Yeah, put it on.
What is this? Okay, so we gonna put this. So we go right here.
Where you hold up now here? Okay. You say you put the bait on so that you get the fish them grab it and
So like that?
Yeah, go
Like
down
that?
deep and hook up. Turn it up now and bring the hook out. Bring up the hook now. Like you want to slide the shrimp pan the whole of this.
Oh,
That's the whole idea.
oh, you wanna?
So when them bite into it, them actually bite into the hook. Alright, can't go ask him for that now.
This look retarded, cuz.
Can't go ask him. Teach these people.
Where's your husband? Oh, never mind. I see.
Teach them all what to do. Because them not really know. They're not really used to the fishing thing. So them need help.
You're ready now, man. Are you ready to go, right? Yeah, push that down on just sling it out.
So when you push it down, it actually let the reel out. Okay, so you it's like a fly fishing, like. Okay. Oh, okay. So it's out now.
Yeah, he's out.
So what you do now is just basically take your time and reel it in.
Take your time and go a little bit of drag and see if anything bites.
And you set your tension so that you can actually feel in them biting if them nibbling. See? So you wanna set your tension, make sure that you're feeling it. It's too yeah. It's yeah, make it stay right there so now.
So what I do now though?
No, come down. Do this side.
Come in that class.
Y'all know I do. Hey, huh?
Right, we're gonna put him out.
Yeah, Josh, remember to keep the tension. You got it?
Yes.
He's so aggressive. He's like, I got it. Leave me alone, nigga. Can't with him.
I ain't off the base to let it reel out.
Joshua caught something. I don't know what that is. Joshua caught a fish. Go show them. Joshua caught something. I don't know what that is. That looked like something. Ladies and gentlemen,
But what are you talking
it
about?
now work. The line now work with me. Me I try fish, but it now work. Him throw my line out. Him throw the line out. Me can't throw the line out. Joshua throw the line out, and Keno throw the line out.
Yeah, I mean, you just gotta relax, cause you too tense, cuz.
Not fishing no more.
You too
That's
tense.
it. I'm officially over.
You just have to relax.
Listen. Can I
Cause
tell
I've
you?
been fishing all my life.
What?
You just gotta relax.
My time first, you come out here, my youth.
What I feel.
My
You
youth,
gotta relax, cuz.
that is it. That is it.
Look,
That is
look,
it.
look,
No,
look.
I quit.
Your
I
line
quit.
is way out there.
I'm leaving. I quit.
Look at that.
Trust me. It don't make no sense. I'm done. I'm going back to the shelter with the ladies. I'm gonna play Ludi and Domino. I quit. That is it.
Hey, look at that right there.
Yes, Joshua.
Hey, good
Ladies
job,
and
boy.
gentlemen, this is the winner for the day.
Good job. No, for the
Joshua
day.
caught the
We
biggest
not
one
even
so
done.
far. Joshua
that.
caught the biggest one so far.
Good
That's
job,
a blue
my boy.
runner. Joshua can't go show the
Let me get
ladies
right there,
them.
right there. Let me get it.
Your boss. Your boss, Joshua. Boss. Hold on, let me take a picture.
Oh, yes. I'll put it right there.
No, here's the problem now. Here's the problem now. Try to go the hook out time out.
You got gloves?
Yes, Joshua, take out the hook out of the mouth.
It's like deep in the mouth.
Because you must swallow, just pull on it.
You got the pliers.
Oh, I got a pliers. It's in the toolkit.
Yeah, get the pliers and hold it. Don't put your hand down.
Yeah, don't put your hand on them one.
Yeah, get the pliers.
Our pliers in the toolkit right there. All right, Josh, we're gonna get that. Hold this. Yes, man. Yes, you get one, Joshua.
You took the whole hook.
Wow. You got one, Josh. All right, we have to lock him up in the box then and we jump out.
Good one.
You put water in there, right?
No, man, you're good.
No, just make him stay there and
Nice
dead.
size, huh?
That's a blue runner, right? No one blue runner that. Like a tuna.
That's a jack.
Oh, it's a jack? You sure? Can look like a tuna. Look like a tuna. All right, sir. Yes.
Yeah. They got some in that bucket, and
I got some shrimp. Tell me what this one is. Tell me what this one is. You caught one. A good size one.
Look up jackfish. Blue jack. The jack.
Nice.
No jack on. Google jack on you.
This is number 2.
No,
This
number
is
3. I
number 3. Yeah, this one I want grunt.
It didn't even eat the bait.
This I want grunt. It got to the bait, got to him high, Joshua. Yo, Joshua, you're the fisherman of the year. Remember, me tell you. Go make them take it off, Joshua.
Give credit to Tyler.
Keno, I don't know what you're gonna do, bro.
Hey, Josh, don't come back over here, bro.
Joshua's making you look bad.
Josh, come back over here, bro.
Mate, you can't why the man dream catching second or third fish.
I mean, it's a lot of space down there.
Guys, Joshua going bad, you know.
Come back over here, bro.
Joshua going bad. Joshua get the whole eye fish them. You understand? Joshua does walk up and down from the dock and I catch a fish them. Boy, me they are struggle. Let me see what I go and do this. I have a reload. I may try my best to catch him. Nothing now bait, nothing now hole. Yeah. Nice though, I'm not telling you like nice. Trust me. I'm enjoying myself. He got a second one. Yeah. Third. That's his third one. Yeah. Trust me. Keno over there a struggle. Ladies and gentlemen, we have to save this moment.
Yeah, because they've been biting all day, but not really.
This is a minnow though.
It doesn't matter to them.
Mike, this is not even a real fish.
I eat it.
This is like a bait.
It's not a bait. It's a fish.
Maya, you could chop this up and use it to catch real fish.
What are you trying to do, cuz? You know how long I was out there? Oh. Hey, this is for me.
Maya, I feel bad for the fish.
Did you catch it?
Oh,
Thank you.
I'm going to the store.
Oh, thank you are. So we go. Okay. Okay, I
It look like a rock.
A what? You look like a rock. What you mean a rock? Oh, you thought you had a fish?
Yeah. It's the seaweed. Look at the seaweed. A lot of seaweed. Yes. It's something big.
Yeah.
Oh! It's a catfish, I think.
Yep. Yes.
He got a catfish.
Yeah. Yeah. Where's my phone? Oh yeah. Yes, man. Yeah. I gotta show them this one. In Joshua? Yes. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. This is a catfish. Watch it beard. Yeah. Be going hard. What is that?
He's undefeated. It's a fish. It's a fish.
Tropical.
He's undefeated, guys.
Joshua, how you feel being the victory fisherman today?
It's the third one, right?
Fourth.
Yeah, he's undefeated.
All right, go ask them if that one they can keep.
This is like a parrot or something?
Mayot, why are we out here?
I'm trying.
Drop it. Mayo, why are we out here?
Hey, cuz, Josh, Josh, what you doing that I'm not doing, bro?
In my fish.
Hey, let me get your hook then, cool.
What's that? A catfish?
Catfish.
Oh, I caught one earlier. Small, way smaller.
It's the daddy. That's a catfish.
Yeah, you catch the big one. Man,
I thought it was a shark at first.
Yeah, it felt like it.
What?
I thought it
that
was
is
too.
crazy.
About the same size as a shark.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Hey, you, man.
Wash him off. Throw him in the pot.
Yeah, he's going to fight.
Wow. Mayot, you catch anything else?
Yeah, I did. Oh, 3 fish.
Mayot,
No.
them they are not real fish, brother.
What do you mean, cuz?
Mayot, you have to leave them there alone.
You only caught 1 fish, and that's it.
One good fish.
No, you caught 1 fish.
Mayot, the
and
fish
you
that me catch was so substantial.
done. I caught 3 fish.
Mayot, the fish that me catch fully pan right there.
I caught 3 or 4 fishes. Now
Mayot,
they little.
they not fish. Those are finnets.
They little, but they fish.
Them not real fish,
What
Mayot.
you talking about, cuz?
Mayot,
I caught 4
them they are
fishes,
fish
cuz.
bait.
You caught 1
He
fish.
caught fish bait. That's it.
No.
Fish bait.
Like, you wait a minute. I caught 4 fishes. 4.
Mayot,
He caught 1.
listen, those
Thank
are
you
what
very
you
much.
call mercy catch. Like the fish say, you know what, in China all day, let me
Yeah,
just
what do you
help
mean?
him. Mayot, the fish are try to help you out. Mayot, them they're not even real. Mayot, you put them in a igloo?
Yeah, they
Mayot, that's embarrassing.
What do you mean?
That's ridiculous. Ladies
I'm
and gentlemen,
trying.
come let me show you where the man get. The man catch all them something and put in a igloo. A wickedness.
So what you mean?
You understand? That's wickedness, that's pedophile.
How's that
Them the two
pedophile?
liquor brethren.
Hey, I'm trying.
Mayot,
I'm trying.
Mayot, them they are pedophile.
What you
That's too
mean?
little.
you
It's
mean?
wicked.
You caught 1 fish.
Mayot, Mayot, that's not real fish you catch. Mayot, look, ladies and gentlemen, look.
What you mean?
Watch it. Look there. 1 good fish and then all those little baby fish. That's pedophilia.
What do you mean? I'm trying.
That's pedophile. Them
I'm-
the fish that too
I'm
little for you to say.
I'm trying.
Look at those them say him catch. Don't you should throw them back.
No.
That's wickedness
You
to
know
dumb
how
animal.
I was out. I've been out here 2-3 hours, and they was going to the house.
That's a real fish right there. See that one that I catch right there? That's a real one.
No,
The
you
big
didn't-
one.
You
The
didn't catch
jack.
that. You didn't catch that.
Yeah, Joshua.
No, you didn't catch
He's
that.
going to my house though.
But you
But
didn't catch it.
Mayot, them
didn't-
they can't fry now. That are my
You
father's
can
day
fry
dinner.
those. Hey,
That are my father's day dinner.
no,
That
no,
big
no.
one.
I'm trying.
Mayot, that's wickedness.
Wait,
Mayot,
Hey.
them that can't go in a hot aisle.
You can fry this. I'm gonna fry it. I'm gonna take this home and
Not
I'm
call
gonna
the
fry it.
authorities. That's pedophile. Them the too little. That's babies.
He caught 1 little fish, and that's it.
No, I'm telling you.
One little fish,
Hold
and
on.
that's it.
Let me tell you. Them have to revoke the license there. That's wickedness. That's evil.
Yeah.
She
said it.
Come, let me show you the one I caught. Let me show you the one I caught.
No, wait a minute. Let me tell you. Hey, don't. You ain't even gotta do that.
Look. See that big catfish right there? See that catfish right there?
Which one?
The big one.
This?
Yeah, that's the one I caught. Tell me now. No wickedness in my the little baby fish there in the pan.
You asked him.
Eh?
You asked him what happened.
Wickedness.
After that. He ain't catch that one woman. Ask him what happened after this. It's a wrap.
Cause one good fish make him full belly.
Nah. He fish, but I'm over like in real life. Why you acting like you scared, cuz?
Mate,
You don't know what he's doing.
You scared?
what do you mean I know me I do?
You don't know what you're doing.
I know what I'm doing.
So you gonna take it home and eat it? I'm on a piece of this, cuz. I think you should fry it.
I think you should ask somebody for help.
Really? You already been to TV, done a firm. What you talking about?
Yeah.
Take out the head.
She is scared of that.
Storm come down from way. Guys, trust me, storm come down from way. Yes, man. Yes, man. Love that one there. Love that one there.
I'm gonna go in the car.
Mayo, it sound like I run, so.
I'm going in the car though. Do you know? I don't play around, son. I'm scared.
I'm big scared. Mayo?
Yeah.
Yes, man. That's the way you call lightning and thunder. You understand? Yeah, me just clean up my fish. With Josh and Akeno.
Hey.
And yeah, the storm come down.
Good. I want to go.
Yeah, it is what it is. It's an experience. Yeah, that's what it is. Big lightning, big lightning. Mate, look at this Jesus I walk on the water.
What?
Any kind of storm, people walk on the water. This is crazy. Whoa. Whoa. This is crazy. This is crazy. Remember, I wonder if we can catch 2 fish now.
Right now.
Right now. Look at these boats. I've never seen nothing like this before. I've never seen the storm like live like this before. That's crazy. Trust me, guys. It's an experience. It's terrifying, but it's also nice. Yeah. It's crazy. It's crazy. Mayo, that's time and I blow up and over. So, Mayo, that was the fishing today, Mayo. How was the day, Mayo?
It was a very productive day. I caught 4 fishes. You caught 1 fish. Joshua won the day. I think he had about what 5?
Joshua, how much fish did you get?
I call it
4 or 5. Oh, so we tied it.
No.
Huh?
There's no tying, Mayo.
I had 3.
Mayo, you catch 4 baby fish, Mayo, like you have like a fishing tank, a fish tank.
Once
Mayo, your fish them couldn't.
that
Mayo,
hook come up with a fish.
Mayo, your fish them couldn't fry.
Once that hook come up with a fish, oh, I went fishing.
My Joshua catch some big fish, Mayo.
Joshua caught some fishes.
Big fish.
Fishes, right? He caught some fishes. I caught fishes too. You catch 1 fish. Huh? So what I'm saying is this: it was a good day.
Yes, it was a good day, but Mayo, when we go back fishing again? That me ask you.
We go in 2 weeks.
I'm ready.
We could go in 2 weeks.
People, it was fun. We enjoyed it, and we out. Peace.
That's it. Hey, look at that right there.
Yes, Joshua.
Hey, good
Ladies
job,
and
boy.
gentlemen, this is the winner for the day.
Good job. No, for the
Joshua
day.
caught the
We
biggest
not
one
even
so
done.
far.
Look at
Joshua
that.
caught the biggest one so far.
Good
That's
job,
a
my
blue
boy.